Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is How This Couple's Vacation Ended with Felonies.
Turn around! Ah!
On December 4th, 2025, officers were dispatched following reports of a disruptive couple roaming the neighborhood.
Everything on video, by the way.
We just got called, so we just got.
I understand.
Yeah.
Because of the way she's being, and I'm.
Where'd she go?
So
Did
I
she
don't
just
know.
run?
Yeah, she just ran.
Okay.
But the thing is, she's my girlfriend for over a year now. She has this issue, and when she drinks too much, she flips in this switch. Like, I've seen it every so often. And she's in that mode right now, where she's just like, all I can do is show you the video, and I don't want her to get arrested.
No, we're not.
We're right here on White Street, 808, and that's all we're trying to do is get her home.
You're just trying to get her home?
Yes.
Okay. Show me what happened was. Take a breath. What happened?
We did drink on the main street right there. We decided we're gonna have a shot of liquor each bar on the way home and come home at 808 White Street. She gets in this mode where she just like won't go home. I can just show it to you on the videos. I've been taking videos all my life. Here's the last one.
So you're just trying to get her home, right?
I'm just trying to get her home.
Can you give me your friend? Can you give me your
I know I'm drunk too, by the way. I sound drunk.
The only person you...
She keeps trying to leave me.
Let me ask you a question, Wes. I'm going to show you that.
Yeah.
Key West Police, stop!
What is going on?
I didn't do anything to anybody.
Okay,
I just wanted to do this.
Okay, what's going on?
Please. Can you please stop? Thanks, me. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm sorry. I am not.
Okay, well you're running away from a conversation that my partner was having.
Please. I'm trying to solve the problem.
Okay, what's going on then? I'm not gonna sit down, okay? What's going on?
Can I trust you as a dirty cop? Can I trust you as a dirty cop?
Whoa, no. Okay, what is going on tonight?
Can you sit down?
I'm not gonna sit down. What is going on?
It's dirty money. Dirty shit. You gonna get me dirt. They gonna you. Please.
Okay,
Please sit down.
This is like the third time I've ever seen her like this.
Not the people they wanna be.
But I have so many videos because I was just trying to film her the whole time because the way she was acting was she was trying to make me feel like a victim of something. I didn't do anything. I was just trying to care for her and get her back home because we're from Alabama.
Yeah, okay.
Adele.
Please trust me.
Adele, I can trust you from standing up, okay?
You don't trust me.
I do trust you. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what's going on, but you're not telling me.
You sit down.
I'm not.
Can you sit down right next to me, please?
I'll sit right here.
I'm asking you. Can you
Adele.
please sit down right next to me, please?
I'm gonna sit right here.
Right now.
Adele.
No. No, right now.
Adele, there are people.
Please.
Take a breath. There are
I
people.
want you right now. Please, can you sit right now next to me? I want to save your life. Please sit down right next to me.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Stop.
Right now.
Stop. This is gonna get you nowhere.
I want you right now. But you please sit down right next to me.
And then she got mad out of nowhere again, like she was happy with me again about right here. She was kissing on me, and then she runs back this way. I'm like, and I don't want to just let her go. I don't know if the right thing to do is just let her be in a place we don't know.
No, I got you.
Or do I chase after her and try to get her right back to where we're coming from? You know what I'm saying? So that's my scenario and what's going on.
Adela, I'm right here. You can trust him, okay?
Adela, I'm Officer Davis, Key West Police Department. What's going on tonight?
Yeah, could you just repeat it? What you just did it? Can you just repeat it?
I'm right here.
Can you repeat it? What you just said it?
What did I just say?
You're right against criminal. You just criminal person. Do you understand that somebody died? Do you understand that somebody died?
Okay, calm down. Take a breath.
No!
Listen, you're gonna
You
lower.
understand?
You're gonna lower your voice.
Oh!
You are going to lower your voice,
You motherfucker!
or else I will put you in handcuffs.
Because you coming with a
Adela, come here.
She's gonna run.
Uh-oh.
Adela, stop! Key West Police, stop!
Keep running.
Hey, on one end, I'm like, damn, they can't catch her drunk ass. She's drunk. But then on the other hand, I'm like, well, police officers do have a lot of equipment on them, so it weighs them down. But I'm like, y'all should be able to catch her, bro. She can't. She's so drunk, she don't even know what's going on. You know? All right, let's see if they gonna get her together.
Where she turn out, Angela?
Yeah. Got her. Turn around. Turn around.
Uh-oh. Oh, nah, that's a female officer. Yeah, she gonna get you together. Mm. Woo!
Now. Turn around.
Stop or you're gonna get tased.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around now or you're gonna get tased.
Get on your belly now. Move her. Move her.
Ow, I'm not gonna do anything about it.
You just got me by my face.
Ooh, got her right. Ooh, act right. Ooh. Act right. What you thought this was?
My back! Oh! Oh!
Get your arm out.
I need you to be quiet.
I can't get her arm out.
Hold on.
I'm getting weird!
Got her together, boy.
All right, there we go. Do anything stupid, I'm gonna tase you again.
She grabbed me by my face.
Listen, the lady cop took her down by herself.
Well, that was stupid. Now you're going to jail.
That was really dumb.
Let's get her up. Yeah. You need to stand up from there, all right?
Oh, ow!
Come on, stand up.
Stand up.
You can walk just fine. Have you searched her?
Not yet.
Later on the front of my car.
Stop.
Keep it up. You're gonna get tased again. Let's get her in the car.
Stand her up. I got her.
Leave police, I told you. Stop.
Are you gonna be happy? Are you gonna be happy? Who are you? Who are you? Are you gonna be happy? What about your mom?
The drive center.
Ow, you're gonna dislocate my shoulder.
Then get in the
Get in.
car.
Ow!
Act like an adult and get in the f***ing car.
Ow!
Get in the car.
Wait.
In the car. Stop. Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. In the car. All the way.
Ma'am, sit up. Sit up.
Sit up.
Feet in. Sit up. Come on.
Was
Belt. Put the belt on. Her head. Here. Sit back. Sit back.
Let go of the seatbelt.
Let go. Stop. Stop.
Unbelievable.
Breathe.
Tight.
I'll tell you, bro, we just drank too much. And she also has, what did I say she is wrong? Thyroid? That's what I said.
That's what you said.
She has issues and she takes medicine for that. And I've researched it on ChatGPT one time because this isn't the first time this happened.
Your girlfriend or your wife?
It's my girlfriend. I hope to be wife. Somebody told me not to date a girl with issues. I know that is a crazy thing to say, but I did research it, and it does say it can throw you off when you're drinking.
She's gonna go to jail.
She's going to jail?
Yeah, she attacked a police officer, so she's going to jail.
Oh.
And then she'll go to first appearance tomorrow and see a judge. She's going to be monitored quite a bit, because I don't know what she's on, what kind of combination of stuff that she's on, but she is absolutely 100% out of control. I suggest.
But I promise she's a good person. She's f***ed up. I think it's
Listen, I get it, but I'm not saying
medicine that she's taking
that she didn't make a whole bunch of bad decisions because of she's under
But I
the
don't want her
effects.
to go through this. Right
All we were trying to do was just talk.
I'm going to say this. Maybe she needs it for an awakening of taking other substances when she's on meds.
She's from another country, though.
Okay,
Like, I'm
all right,
afraid she's going to be kicked out of the country. This is the love of my life, y'all. Y'all don't understand. For y'all, it's nothing. But for me,
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I mean, probably about
Just as
at
much
least
as her.
an 8-pack of beer.
I didn't do anything to you. I didn't attack you guys. Why? Why am I supposed to go? What did I do?
Let's go. Yeah.
What did I do to you?
Can you text Sarge Stutz and tell
What
him?
did I do to you?
All right.
What did I do to you? I didn't do it. Ow, my shoulder.
Okay, so act like a f***ing adult and walk. Let's go.
Ow, my shoulder.
The woman was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and resisting an officer without violence.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, individuals are responsible for themselves. But if you know that your chick has an issue when she drinks, why would you go out drinking with her? I mean, if you know she turns into that, you said this is only the third time you've seen it, but you know that's typically what happens when she goes out drinking. Why would it be a great idea to go bar hop back home and take a shot at every bar until you get back home? What type of sense does that make? Yeah, he need to get another chick, man, because you know that is a part of relationships. You know what I'm saying? You want to go out with your significant other, whether you guys are whatever you guys are into, whether you guys like to drink or go to the club or go to the beach, whatever, you know, you want to go out and have a good time, especially on vacation. That's what vacation is for. Maybe not, you know, in your regular everyday life are you drinking like that or whatever the case may be, but on vacation, hell yeah. But if your chick can't handle it and she got all types of issues and all that other stuff, I mean, yeah, you know, it sounds mean to say, but you gotta get a new one, man, because she a bad look. She a bad look. She get like that and now she attacking officers and all that stuff, man. Send her back where she came from. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah. So, I get officers, man. I give them 5 out of 5, man. That lady cop, she took her down. Listen, if you a lady, you don't want to be dealing with no lady cop, man. She gonna get you together, boy. She took her down. As soon as she charged at her, whatever, she flipped. Oh, bow, boom. You know, got her together. You feel me? Then he came with the taser and all of that stuff. Then he came with that. But she got her. She did her thing at first. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.